am really happy at this moment. I am losing out on words, but I think the entire team has put in a lot of effort, and everything else put aside, the reason the film is a hit or a super hit today, it's because of the audiences. Every film, be it a hit or a flop, there's a lot of effort that goes into it. But it's the audience that really gives you that boost when they enjoy a film and they write to you. I couldn't have done this alone at all. The first person I want to thank is Chota sir. So you've really been, your passion has boosted me every time on set to do even better. And I always had to be at the tip of my toes because I knew I had somebody so senior and so experienced to live up to. So thank you so much. I've learned a lot under your guidance, and moreover, everything, I think it's his childlike nature. You know, he will put me also to shame. I've been very fortunate. V.I. Anand again has been one of the best directors that I've worked with, and very patient, very warm, and has full confidence in his actors, and I think that's what really created Ganga to whatever she is today. Sandeep, every scene that I've shot with him, he's come out with something different, something new. So thank you for being so spontaneous, and I at no point could plan what I could do with him in any of the scenes, because he's been at his best, you know. So I always had somebody again to live up to, and I've learned a lot. He's very passionate about cinema, and that shows, and I feel extremely grateful to have had shared space with you. So thank you. Rahul, on the other hand, is a sweetheart. He's worked very hard for this film, but he's worked very hard on a general note, and I was really moved by his performance when I watched Tiger. The innocence and the sincerity that he puts into his work, it really stands out, and like everybody believes, camera catches every little moment, and I think there was magic on screen with both of them together. I have to thank Nandini Pulli. Where is she? I love you, man. If people are talking about my performance, and they